And welcome back to Cityline. We are so grateful to have Alexis Quinn and Carlos West, Senior Program Specialists with Parks Tacoma, here to talk to us about Parks Tacoma Resource Fair. So thank you both so much for being here early this morning to talk to us.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Really appreciate it. So what is the Senior Resource Fair? Who is it for? Obviously seniors, but why did Parks Tacoma start providing this event starting in 2023? Alexis.
Yes, this is very exciting. This will be our third annual Senior Resource Fair. And what's so wonderful about it is being able to host this event brings the senior community and the resources available in our community to bridge that gap and bring them together, which is so wonderful, such as healthcare, Medicaid, real estate planning, in-home services, and so forth.
I love it. So it's an opportunity to share resources, but also for the community to gather together as well. That's amazing. And what kinds of resources and services? You talked a little bit about, Medicaid or, some of those things. But Carlos, maybe you could talk to us a little bit more in depth about, what folks can expect when they attend the fair this year.
So when people attend the fair, we have over 30 different resources.
Wow.
Tabling at our event. So like Alexis was saying, from anything from Medicare to transportation to legal services, anything that would be interesting to the senior population. We are also going to be having aging smart speakers and fitness demos and cooking demos. So there's something for everybody at the center for this event.
I love that. And, aging in place is so important for our seniors, making sure that they have those resources and tools, to stay, independent and healthy as long as possible. And that's amazing that Parks Tacoma kind of curates, that and provides those resources in a safe and accessible place for folks to be able to gather and get that information. That's really amazing. Can you talk maybe a little bit about why it's important for Tacoma seniors? And then I would even maybe say extend right to, caregivers and also, family members to attend the event, right? It's probably not just for, people 55 and older, right? But it's also for family, it's for caregivers to be able to connect with those resources and connect and network with community and other community members that are providing those resources, right?
Right, it's absolutely. And there are so many more resources and programs available in our area than people actually have knowledge of. So this way, coming and getting to talk person to person instead of just over the phone or a computer, and getting to ask your questions in real time and have examples of what you're looking at, and having the family come and the caregivers is so important, because even if it's not a service or that's needed right now, you can start preparing for those things, and you can find those resources and programs that are in our area and meet those people face to face and get the information you need so you can start planning for the caregivers and the family members for when things come to that point if needed. You know where to go and you're not lost. And just the community aspect of it to have with relationship and meeting other seniors, and gets to make sure we're not having isolation and realizing how much we do have to offer our amazing senior population, and so that the family members and caregivers know the extra programs we have and socials that everyone can be a part of, so that we can just keep building relationship and community.
Yeah, Parks Tacoma is such a great hub, right, for connecting, with community, and so appreciate that work that you're doing for our senior population. It's fantastic. You talked a little bit, Carlos, about cooking demos and kind of interactive, fitness demos and, those kind of pieces. Can you talk a little bit more just about, what people, can expect?
Yeah, so we actually are going to have our arts, 50 plus arts classes.
Nice.
And they are going to be displaying their artwork.
Oh, fantastic.
And our seniors are extremely proud of their work,
Yeah.
and it's beautiful. And we're going to have it all displayed in the center. And then we're also going to have cooking demos, and everybody will get a sample of what we cook.
I love it.
So you can get an idea of what we do when we take we have culinary workshops. And then also like the fitness demos, you get to a little taste of what the different fitness classes we have. So one of them is a Tai Chi class. One of them is Stay Active and Independent for Life. So everything is geared towards our seniors.
That's amazing.
We also have Pilates and
Oh my
chair
gosh,
stretch.
so much.
Yes.
I love it.
Yes.
I love it. And Alexis, you talked a little bit about that isolation that can come with seniors. So much of that isolation comes from having transportation or mobility challenges. So can you talk about how you're making the event accessible for folks that might have mobility or transportation challenges?
Absolutely. We were very deliberate to pick Star Center, one of our centers. It is a one level, and so no one is having to navigate elevators or stairs, which is wonderful. So any mobility aids will be easy to use. We also have very large seating areas in our Star Center, so there's plenty of places to relax and take breaks and just sit and mingle and meet new people, and it's just wonderful. And it's also ADA compliant through the whole building, so it will be an ease for anyone to navigate, no matter what age or stage they're at, which is wonderful.
That's perfect. So Star Center, a few details about the event too. So if people have questions or want, more information about this event, but then also what other programs Parks Tacoma has for seniors?
Yeah, so Parks Tacoma is at the Eastside Community Center. At the People's Community Center, we have a senior hub, which is social-based activities. And we definitely, they can come from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. We serve lunch.
Can they come and play cards and drink coffee?
Yes,
That's,
absolutely.
I'm there for that.
Lots of coffee and lots of cards and puzzles and
karaoke.
What?
Oh yes.
Yes.
All right. What time is karaoke?
Fridays, 10:30 a.m. at People's.
Fantastic. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you both so much for all you do for our community, for Parks Tacoma, and to help support our seniors. I know I am looking forward to coming and visiting you guys.
All right.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Again, thank you. And we will be back with Tacoma on the Go to talk about Walk Tacoma 2026. So stay tuned.